with some cake. So here's the eggs. Here's the bowl. Here's this spoon. Here is the water to cook. So here's the oil, and I can't pick this up because I'm not a grown up yet. And here is the cake mix inside, you can see. Look what we can do with these sprinkles. Like a maraca. Pink thing, food coloring, and you can put these on a cake or like cupcakes, and like the barista does fall down. Let me get that barista. So this is the rainbow one, and here's that gold one, and here is that vanilla one. Let's just put this out. Let's make the cake. Now it's time for the water. That's the water. And now it's time for the oil. Now we're going to put in the eggs.
Hey, yo, Judah.
Now it's time to mix the cake. Now it's going to do this one for a little bit. Guys, now we got this cool donut pan. I already put the oil in it, so we're gonna pour this chocolate in there. So yeah, that's really. The cake's ready to go in the oven. We're gonna put it on to 180 degrees and for 45-50 minutes. Hey guys, did you know we're gonna do the icing with the food dye in it, the pink one, and we just empty this, so we won't be needing that. And then we're gonna put all the decorations on. We're gonna use it's my thinking. I might do this one or this one. I don't know, but they're both the best. I like these ones on pancakes, and I like these ones on cakes and cupcakes. So let's get on to doing it. Let's mix. Oh, that's a nice pink. Everyone, what's your favorite frosting color? Mine's pink and white and chocolate brown. Comment down below what is your favorite frosting, because I really want to know that. So that's the first thing that's turning out. It's a little bit white, but it's still okay. I'm trying to get the fruit is like frosting. That tastes really good. Give me a huge thumbs up, and if you want to see the first thing again, here it is. It's really a light pink because I want it to be like a little light. Guys, we're going to sprinkle it with this one. I just decided I want the gold ones, not these ones, because I always do these with pigs. So, set those ones out. times. If you like this cake, just like that button and subscribe. So make sure you have parents who can help you cut the cake. So I'm just gonna cut the cake with just me. And my mom's recording. So. That's really good. Love you, stay sweet.